today is the day we get our new puppy, and we're both very excited to a point where we did this to welcome him home. And it's a boy. It's a big boy, thick boy. Hopefully he likes it, hey? Hopefully he's not too picky. And we got toys and all that stuff, and we'll show you guys later in detail. We're just kind of rushing here. We gotta go to the gas station, get some gas. I haven't eaten anything yet, so I'm gonna grab a protein shake there at the gas station.
Oh, speed racer. Go, go, go.
Alright, so we're here at Merritt. The lady that's selling the Corgi to us, she's a couple minutes away. So she requested us wear masks because, as you guys know, the pandemic is still going on. So yeah, we will be seeing Jax in a couple minutes. You excited? Any last words? No?
You better be cute.
You better be cute?
Mm-hmm.
He is cute. You picked him.
I know, that's why you better be cute. She's by herself.
Really?
Yeah. That's insane. Have your wallet?
Yep. How's it going?
Not bad. How are you?
Good. How's the drive?
Oh, long.
Yeah.
Went way slower than I thought it was gonna.
Yeah.
Now I have to figure out if I brought a pen. I hope I did. Usually I'm smart enough, but sometimes I'm not.
I have a couple pens.
Okay, this piece of paper, after you've read this, take it out of the package and put it in your thing. It'll answer questions. Your vet's going to want to know when they were wormed and what they were wormed with and all that kind of stuff. You can show him that, okay? So keep it in your records for him. Okay, so I'll get you to... you need to initial here, and I want a signature here.
Oh my god, he's so small!
Take the collar off.
Oh my god, he's so small. Hello.
He's not got runny poo.
It's not him?
So there's a blanket in here that smells like poo, a couple of toys, one that was in their kennel, a leash, and a shirt for him that says the cat did it.
Oh, I didn't know he was so small. Oh, you're so cute. Babe, he's so cute. And he's scratching the hell out of me, but I don't care. You smell like urine. Why don't you smell like pizza like Gatsby? Hi, baby. Hi. Do you want to hold him? Oh, now you're playful. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, that's Daddy. He obviously has pee on his... Oh, so special. So kind. Oh. Oh, look at that face. Hi, Jax. Aww. I think she knows which one is pooping. I'm letting them poop in the back. Who's a good boy? What's that?
Okay. Are you ready to make the journey home?
He's like, what are you talking about? I was just in the car for 2.5 hours.
He's beautiful.
He is.
Handsome, sorry.
Look at him. He's like, okay, can I put down now? You're so cute. Oh, you got a little wet wiener. Oh. Is he shaking?
No, he's fine.
Oh, good boy. Oh, look at that little face. Oh. Okay, we go home now, Jax.
He looks like a Yoda from Pine. Look at that.
I know. That's probably why she named one of them Yoda. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. You're a good boy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. probably cute. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Jax right now is entering his new city.
Yeah. You're in your brand new city. You're not in the farm anymore.
Kelowna, British Columbia.
Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easy.
Stanky leg.
Yeah.
A drumstick.
It's all legal.
He looks tired. He's like low-key falling asleep.
If you're tired, you got your own teepee that your parents spent too much money on.
He might be scared.
Hey! He doesn't like it.
He's scared.
He doesn't like anything we gave him. Hey, I'm gonna hang out here with you.
What a shitty bag.
You already gave me side eye.
Babe. He doesn't know what to do, hey?
This meal?
ASMR. Inhaling that. His eyes are shut when you scratch his belly. Should this be his first Instagram photo?
You get to meet Auntie Jessica in a couple seconds. Are you excited?
Oh, he's so precious.
She's gonna come. Come in. You ready?
Where is the cutie pie?
He's here, just hanging out. You can pick him up.
Hello, sweet pea. You smell my pooches? Jax. Good sit. Good boy. Oh, you smell like a puppy.
Pick him up.
Sweet pea. Oh, you want to come out? He's good.
His ears though, hey?
He's so like short. You smell like a puppy. Oh my goodness.
We thought he would be a lot chunkier.
It does.
So how did we do this? Oh, okay, like this. Oh man.
What?
Yeah, it's too big.
Is that the smallest it'll go?
No. Do you know how to adjust those?
Yes, smell it and pee on it. Is he eating it?
No.
Jax.
Hi.
How are you? Oh, good. How is he doing? You missing him? his brothers and sisters?
Yeah.
Hi. Are you shy? Yes, you are. Are you? Hi. Hi, you. Hi, you. Oi. Look at cutie. You're so cute. Yes, yes, you are. Yes, yes, you are. Cute, cute, cute. Look at you, a fluffy thing. Look at you, a fluffy. Hi. Hi. How did you like your new home? Don't you think you're spoiled? Don't you think you're spoiled all by yourself? See? No. No, you need to eat more. You need to eat more and more and more. You get very chubby, you won't fly. You won't fly away. So did you know where the rest of the brothers went?
Yeah.
Keeping in touch with them?
Yeah, we have like a Facebook group, so we'll keep in touch.
Goodness.
Take a photo of him.
Don't scare him.
Good boy. Good boy. Good poo. Good boy. It's like 7:30.
It's time for supper.
Is he doing a poo trot? Jax! 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 What's this? Oh,
He's doing a poop trot.
yeah.
Is he peeing right now?
No, he's doing a poo trot. I know it.
Should we just take him out?
Picking up his first poop.
You already picked it up, right?
Yeah, so this is your turn.
Yeah. First one. Want to take a look?
Okay, that's gross. Let's not do that. We should still keep him outside for a bit though, hey?
Yeah.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Stop running. He's running right behind you. Come on. You don't want to go down the stairs yet, huh? Come on. He's too big. He's too big. You're just a puppy. That's okay.
What color are his eyes? Because in some photos they look sort of hazy.
They're like blue right now, but they turn brown. It's so weird.
Yeah, that is weird.
Just like his coat changes colors.
Oh, that's the toy I bought him.
This one is.
Oh,
He likes the ears because they're crinkly.
I like tossing him around.
This
I'm
is.
just gonna toss him.
Oh my goodness.
I'm an acrobat.
Now he's hyper.
Yeah.
Finally.
Good.
You gotta tire him out, loves.
Alright, so as you guys last saw, there was a bit of whining over the night. Well, it wasn't too bad. He went to bed at 12:30, whined for 5 minutes, passed out. And then we woke up at 4 in the morning to him howling because he wanted to go out for a pee. So we took him out, had a pee, and Tori decided to stay up with him
Till 5:30.
till 5:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he fell asleep right away.
5:30 till like 8:30.
5:30 to 8:30.
Yeah.
So he did really well. So he's gonna get used to going outside, going potty. It's just about consistency and just like routine, right? So yeah, other than that, our first night wasn't so bad, but it could have been a fluke. Who knows? But yeah, that was our full day of getting. That was a full day of with Jax. Getting to meet family members and friends, so it was cool. He handled that really well, and we just look forward to documenting more of him and just showing you guys him grow up. And yeah, it's I guess it's the beginning of a new chapter, and we're both looking forward to it. All right, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
No one could tell me that you would be mine. I can't believe my eyes tonight.